friends, welcome back to ChithrArt. Today we are going to draw a colorful butterfly. For this drawing, we need one drawing paper, one pencil, one eraser, and colors like red, violet, light blue, and black. So let's start drawing. First, draw alphabet X. Now draw the body like this. Middle of the body, draw one curve. Now connect the lines like this. Now add some designs to our butterfly. Now start coloring. Fill the black color to the design and body like this. Now give the shades of blue and red like this. Now darken the shades. See, we are done. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like and share. If you have any doubts, just comment down below. Bye. See you next class.